In our busy lives, we often feel like we have too much to do and not enough time to do it. Our email inboxes are always full, and our to-do lists keep getting longer. But don't worry. David Allen has a time-tested solution called GTD, Getting Things Done, that can help us manage our tasks and responsibilities better. GTD is not just a system. It's a way of thinking that can help us stay clear, focused, and calm even when we have a lot to do. Before we proceed further, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's explore how GTD can make our lives easier. The 5 stages of mastering workflow. Number 1. Capture. Capture is all about collecting everything that captures your attention. No matter how trivial or significant, you're encouraged to get every idea, task, or project out of your head and into a collection tool. This could be a physical inbox, a digital tool, or even a simple notebook. The goal is to capture everything to clear the mind, ensuring that no task goes unnoticed. Number 2. Clarify. Once you've gathered your thoughts and tasks, it's time to clarify. In this step, you process what you've captured and decide if it's actionable. If it's not, you have 3 options. Trash it if it's no longer relevant, incubate it for potential future action, or reference it if it's purely informational. If a task is actionable, your goal is to determine the very next action required. For more complex tasks that involve multiple steps, these are considered projects. Number 3. Organize. Organize is where you put things where they belong. Based on the next actions you've determined in the previous step, you begin to organize tasks into lists. For example, tasks that require making phone calls can be placed on a calls list, while tasks that involve running errands can be neatly tucked away in an errands list. Moreover, tasks that need to be done at a specific time or on a certain day should find a place in your calendar. Number 4. Reflect. Reflect is an essential component of the GTD method. It involves reviewing and updating your GTD system regularly. One crucial aspect of this step is the weekly review. During this time, you reassess your tasks and projects, ensuring that your system is current and aligned with your objectives. This regular check ensures that your trust in the system remains intact and that you stay on top of your commitments. Number 5. Engage. The final step, engage, is where you roll up your sleeves and start doing the tasks. With a clear understanding of all your commitments and a well-organized system, you're equipped to make informed choices about what to do at any given moment. The focus here is on doing tasks with a clear mind and undivided attention, ensuring that your efforts are productive and efficient. The 2-minute rule. One of the most popular concepts from GTD is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, Allen advises doing it immediately rather than adding it to a to-do list. This simple rule can drastically reduce the number of items in one's task list and create a sense of accomplishment. Context-based lists. Traditional to-do lists are often long and can feel overwhelming. GTD advocates breaking down tasks based on context. By categorizing tasks based on the tools, location, or people required to complete them, one can more efficiently tackle tasks. For example, tasks that need to be done on a computer would be on the computer list, while tasks to discuss with a particular person would be on that specific list. Project planning. The natural planning model. For more extensive tasks, or those with multiple steps, GTD introduces the natural planning model. The first stage is purpose and principles, where you define why the project is important and establish the guiding principles to follow. Next comes outcome visioning, where you imagine what a successful project completion would look like. After that, in the brainstorming stage, you jot down all ideas and actions related to the project without passing judgment. Organizing is the 4th stage, in which you identify the most significant components and organize the ideas you brainstormed, determining the sequence of tasks. Finally, in the identifying next action stage, you decide on the immediate next steps needed to advance the project. The value of a trusted system. A core principle of GTD is having a trusted system outside of one's mind where tasks are stored. This system can be digital, paper-based, or a combination of both. The goal is to have a place where tasks are stored, organized, and reviewed, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. When tasks are held in the mind, it creates stress because of the brain's inability to remember everything reliably. A trusted system alleviates this stress, allowing for focused work and a clear mind. That's all for now. Like and share the video and subscribe for more such informative videos. Thank you.